This is a teardown of a Microsoft LifeCam HD-5001, and part number is X821680-001. Sadly, this camera's dead. I think it's only 720p, but these old Microsoft webcams were actually really good. They had a good image quality to them. But we're going to at least see what's inside. I think this is snapped together. I'm going to put my safety glasses on just in case things start going flying. I feel like there's clips around the edges. Oh, and I just pushed some in. Nope, can't slice your finger open doing that. It's going to slide the screwdriver towards me. I poke myself in the thumb in the process too, but I guess we'll find out. Oh, it's stuck. I wonder if there's a possibility I'm going at this the wrong way. I don't feel like it assembles across. Oh, maybe it does. Fingernails for the win. Aha! Screws! I would bet that's a piece of glass there. Some of the other ones I tore apart had actual glass over the cameras, which is amazing. But those two screws would explain why the back did not want to snap off. Looks like size 0. Oh, these are really nice. A little shock absorber around the microphone. Assuming to reduce vibration noise or something. I don't know why Microsoft makes Windows anymore. They should just give that up. All their software is junk, but some of the hardware they make is actually really nice. Huh. I have the microphone up here. This metal tab is a little spring loading for the button. Assuming to start a call. Clumsy. Little grounding wire there coming from the USB, attached into the camera board. Yeah, there's no point. Looks like there's also a grounding wire going to that button spring for some reason. Maybe that board also doubles as shielding. Little heatsink for the camera board too. Wow. This thing's just deluxe. Grant, I think you paid a pretty penny for these too. I don't remember what I paid for this one. I think I used rewards money from the office supply store to buy it. But yeah. There's a little microphone for the webcam, and it looks like bi-directional. Yeah, opening on top, and there was an opening on the front. I wonder, 2 sets of wires. I wonder if this does noise reduction at all. Looks like there's only one microphone. No, I think it's just multi-directional. And this little flexible base is held in with a little clip. This has some weight to it, so I assume there's probably some steel in there. I really like these. These have a really nice, reassuring flex to them. Very high quality feeling. And camera assembly might have optical stabilization. Just looking here. With the heatsink. Some screws in the back for the lens housing. A little controller chip here for the camera. Yeah, these things are always really nice. All the Microsoft webcams I've tore apart now have been really impressive. And I think these have just died because of abuse. I was using them as security cameras because it's cheaper than buying actual security cameras, and the image was pretty much as good. I mean, not perfect, but at the time when I was getting these, like, I mean, it's a 720p webcam or maybe a 1 or 2 megapixel security camera. I don't know how many megapixels I guess 720p is, but these always seem to have better image. There's the image sensor. Sparkly. And yeah, this had, I believe, active stabilization from the looks of it. Let's see here. I'm guessing if I get under this housing, there's going to be a magnetic coil. Well, there's only 2 wires going to it, so probably not too, I mean, a magnet there. The greatest stabilization, but any stabilization is better than none. Another magnet on the other side. Let's see here. Just fighting the magnets, trying to get this off. I'll also try not to poke my fingers. Put a hole in my fingers. Oh, there's magnets on every side. So, I'm assuming this little lens is floating. Yeah, it can move. Alright, it's more of an in and out than side to side. You can see the copper winding there, so it would induce a current to move around. I don't know, I guess this also could be for focus purposes. Maybe, I don't know if changing the depth of the lens would change how it focuses. I don't know. Oh, but yeah, just really neat. These Microsoft webcams surprise me every time, even though I should know better now. But hopefully it's interesting, and thanks for watching.